can't believe so many experts, pundits and fans are theorizing that emerging sprint star Oblique Seville was basically faking injury and was suffering a meltdown based on nerves after Oblique saw the form of his rival Kishen. So when Oblique lined up in the blocks, he suffered a mental physical freeze and nothing physical was wrong with him. I beg to disagree. After the delay and some treatment, look at the start of the race. Look how tentative Seville came out of the blocks. And then it's like him say, wait, but me don't feel nothing. Me a go for it. And he hit his stride for an impressive 9.83 second place clocking to book his ticket to Tokyo in super dramatic style. Let me say this though. If Oblique Seville was not feeling physical discomfort and was faking or acting, he might waste him time in athletics. That man should be starring movies like the Pull the Muscle starring Oblique Seville.